The trial of the former crypto-billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried has begun in New York. The founder of the failed cryptocurrency brokerage FTX faces a possible prison term of more than 100 years if he's convicted of federal fraud and money laundering charges. The case has brought fresh focus on the crypto industry, which has been plagued by a raft of high-profile bankruptcies and question marks about risks to investors. Prosecutors accuse the 31-year-old of stealing billions of investor dollars to fund everything from political donations to lavish real estate purchases. Jens Korte is following this story for us in New York. Jens, tell us what happened today.
Yeah, hey, Chris. I mean, it is definitely a pretty high-ranking case here in the United States. It actually is one of the biggest fraud cases, financial fraud cases in the history of the United States. So today it starts with a jury selection, and then the prosecution has about 4 weeks to present their case. The defense probably will take another 1 to 2 weeks to make their case. And I mean, prosecution, at the end of the day, they have to prove that there has been intent, but it is definitely a high-ranking case that we're going to deal with the next roughly 6 weeks to 2 months.
Jens, Sam Bankman-Fried is being accused of stealing billions of dollars from customers of his crypto exchange. How exactly did he do that, according to prosecutors?
Yeah, well, I mean, Chris, we're talking roughly about $9 billion that customers are missing. So some of the money is supposed to be used by Sam Bankman-Fried for his personal lifestyle, about $200 million for real estate projects in the Bahamas. But then also the affiliated hedge fund Alameda Research actually also made some bets, and to cover those, some of the money from the customers got used for that. That's at least what the prosecution is saying. And they seem to have a pretty strong case because one of the witnesses is actually the ex-CEO of Alameda Research. She pleaded guilty a couple of months ago, and she also has been the ex-girlfriend of Sam Bankman-Fried.
And Jens, briefly, how has this scandal been impacting the crypto world?
Well, I mean, if I look here at the United States, I mean, clearly with all the legal troubles, with all the scandals, and FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried has not been the only scandal in the crypto world in the past couple of months that has shied away some investors. But on the other side, if I look at the cryptocurrencies, take Bitcoins, for example, they have not really suffered. So obviously, worldwide, there's still a lot of people investing heavily into the crypto world besides all those scandals we're talking about.
Jens Korte in New York. Thank you.